Morning, and it's Friday. That's almost a full week. And your last phonics sound of the week. Again, it's two letters that make one sound, which is amazing. When an O and an I go together, they make one sound. And the sound is oi, oi, oi. When an O and an I go together, they make the sound oi. Have a look in your books to see if you can see these two letters together and see if you can read the word. I'm sure you can. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, I'm going to read some words. I've got cards today. Oh, there it is, look. Oi. And we've got it here, which is our first sound. Oi, l. Oi, l. Oil. Do this one. S, oi, l. And again, s, oi, l. Soil. We put some soil on the top of your sunflowers. I wonder if your sunflowers are growing yet. Soil. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do it together. B, oi, l. B, oi, l. Boil. Well done. Let's do this one. J, oi, n. J, oi, n. Join. This one. Okay, let's do it together. K, oi, n. K, oi, n. Coin. And the last one. Let's go. P, oi, nt. P, oi, nt. Point. Okay, so now I've got some words for you to write. The first one we're going to write is foil. 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 Stretch it. Foil. Foil. First sound, f. Next one, oi. Last one, l. Foil. Have a go at writing it. Oil. Foil. Okay, the next one we're going to do is one we've read already, so you should be able to write it. Coin. 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 Stretch it. Coin, coin. First sound, k. Middle sound, oi. Last sound, n. Coin. Well done. Coin. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is spoil. 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 Spoil, 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 spoil. First sound, s. Next one, p. Next one, oi. Last one, l. Spoil. Have a go at writing it. S, p, oil. Spoil. Okay, so today I have got 3 sentences for you to write because it's the end of the week and it's got lots of sounds that we've learnt during the week. So the first sentence is Lorna hurt her arm. Lorna hurt her arm. Lorna hurt her arm. Have a go writing that one. And the next one is she fell down in the park. She fell down in the park. She fell down in the park. And the last sentence, can you go to the market for her? Can you go to the market for her? Can you go to the market for her? Those are your 3 sentences. And if you have a look on eSchools, there are some worksheets for all the sounds that we've done this week. There's some stories in there where you can spot all the sounds, and there are some worksheets that you can write the sounds and the words. Okay, have a lovely weekend. Well done for all your lovely learning this week. I'm really proud of all of you and I miss you. Bye.